guys, welcome to our Zen Den. My name is Valerie and I'm so excited because this is my first video filming with my ring lights. So oh my god, I've been wanting to get a ring light for such a long time just to improve the overall quality of my videos. So I hope you guys like it and it's not too bright. I'm still trying to figure out how it works, so I hope you guys like that. But today I'm gonna be filming a super fun and easy video for you. I'm gonna do a very natural eye with a bold red lip. So if you guys want to see how that is gonna turn out, just keep watching. Alright, so for this video, I might just show you guys the products and go on with applying it because I don't want to have this video be super long. Let me know if you guys like more long videos or shorter videos than this. Definitely let me know because I definitely need the feedback for everything, so let me know how you feel about that. But if I do have something to say, I will pause before or after I apply the products. So I'm gonna start off priming my face. I'm gonna be using my Rael Beauty. This one is a serum and this one is a gel. I like to use these two together just so I can get like the maximum hydration to my face. So I'm gonna use these both and then I'm gonna go on and show you guys the makeup products. Alright, I'm already pausing, I know, but just in case you guys are not new here, I always apply my moisturizer on my eyelid so I can apply the best eyeshadow because my skin is so dry. So I always notice that I apply better eyeshadow when I apply some moisturizer on my eyelid. So if you guys are dry, just a little tip there. Alright, so I'm gonna pause real quick. I've been needing a new recommendation for concealer. I desperately need something new. I like the Shape Tape because it covers up pretty well, but I want to try another brand maybe, or something that has maybe a little bit more full coverage and it's more hydrating. So if you guys have any recommendations, definitely let me know. Okay, so I'm gonna pause again, and I love using this bronzer palette because I feel like it leaves my skin looking so beautiful and like sun-kissed looking. And also, if you guys have this, doesn't it smell like chocolate or something? Like every time I smell it, it's like the smell has stayed there since I first got it, which I think I got this on a BoxyCharm, and it smells like straight up chocolate and I love that. It smells so good, but I don't know, am I the only one that think it smells like chocolate? So I wanted to use this product that I've never used, even though I don't even know when I got it or how I got it, but this is the IBY Beauty Cheek to Cheek Blush Palette. So this one is called West Coast Wing and this one is Foxtrot. Super cute names. Since I want this look to be a little bit more natural kind of ish, I think I'm gonna go with Foxtrot, which is the lightest one. Ooh, okay, I folded it back, so that's cool. So I'm gonna use Foxtrot. It's pretty pigmented actually. Oh my god, I put too much. Oh my god, I put too much. No. Well, okay, so if you have this or you're planning to get it, a little bit goes a long way. I'm gonna go back to my sponge and just like go over it a little bit because I look cray. So I definitely love this. I applied way too much and I had to go back with my sponge, but I really liked it. IBY is one of those brands that I love because they always show me love. They always like my pictures and comments on it. So I really appreciate any brand that does that to me. I wanted to give them a quick little shout out. For the fun part now, I'm going to be using my Nudie Patootie eyeshadow palette by Lilly Los Angeles. I'm just going to prime my eyes with my MAC paint pot in soft ochre. Alright, so I'm going to zoom you guys in so you guys can take a better look on the eyeshadow look. Alright, so I zoomed you guys out because that's pretty much it for the eye look. I just wanted to do something super simple, everyday, pretty pink look. I am gonna add some falsies and I'm gonna add my Lilly lashes in Miami. I'm gonna be applying that with their Lilly Lashes Power Liner. And I'm gonna be gluing that together with my Marc Jacobs At Lashed mascara. Alright, so we're one step away from being done with the look, and I want to do a red lip for today since I usually don't really wear bright colors on my lips. So I wanted to wear red, and I initially thought of my favorite red, which is the Lunar Beauty Aphrodite liquid lipstick. But I realized I don't have a red lip liner, so what my thoughts are that I am going to use my Ofra Havana Nights liquid lipstick to outline my lips, and then I'm just gonna put this in the center, which is a bright red. So let's see how it goes. I've never done that before, so wish me luck. To outline my lips, I'm just gonna take this Morphe 170-4 brush. This is a lot harder than I thought, but hopefully I can make it work somehow. So now I'm just gonna take my Lunar Beauty Aphrodite liquid lipstick and just apply it everywhere. Alright, so I'm not hating how it looks. It's definitely different than just wearing it by itself, but I think it looks pretty cool. What do you guys think? Alright guys, this is it for this video. I know that the red lips are kind of like pointless right now because we're not really going anywhere. Well, at least I'm not going anywhere. Or you're wearing a mask, which you should wear a mask. But I just wanted to do something pretty and feel like we still have some normalcy in life. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm gonna leave my social media handles above so you guys can go follow me, and that is where I let you guys know when I post my next videos. Let me know if you want me to do any type of videos or review any products or do a tutorial with any eyeshadow palette that I may have. But yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day and thank you so much for watching.